Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to screenshot on a desktop computer in just a few simple steps. If you are looking for a way to take a screenshot on your Windows PC laptop, I will show you a simple method in this video. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. There are many different ways to take a screenshot on a desktop computer running Windows, but today in this video, I'm going to show you two simple and easy methods. One method uses a keyboard shortcut key, and the other uses the default Windows tool. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To take a screenshot on a Windows computer or laptop, first, click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of the screen. Type Snipping Tool in the search bar. From the search results, select Snipping Tool. A small window will appear on your screen. To take a screenshot of a specific area, click on New. Select the area you want to capture. Once captured, the screenshot will appear in the Snipping Tool editor. Here, you can draw or highlight if needed. To save the screenshot to your computer, simply click on the Save icon. If you want to take a full screenshot of your display, you can do it using a keyboard shortcut. For that, simply press the print screen key on your keyboard. The screenshot will be copied to your clipboard. Open an image editor, such as Paint or MS Word, and press Ctrl+V to paste the screenshot. Finally, save the file to your computer.